Dear students, today I am going to discuss about principle of capacitor. Principle of capacitor, that means how capacitor is prepared. Okay, so first we have to take a conductor. Say this is A, this is positively charged, so this is conductor A, and it is insulated, otherwise charge will go to the earth. So first we have taken a conductor A which is fully charged. If excess charge is given, it will leak. So it has got maximum potential. So in this situation, what will be its capacitance? C equal to Q by V. C equal to Q by V. So this is its capacitance. It is maximum, charge is supplied maximum, and so potential is also maximum. And in this situation, what is its capacitance? The capacitance of conductor A is C. Now this is the first case, case 1. Now this conductor is placed, this conductor is here. So this is the conductor. This conductor, this is A. Second situation, another uncharged conductor is placed here, B, uncharged. Another uncharged conductor is placed here. Then what will happen? There will be induction, and due to induction, in this side will be negatively charged, in this side will be positively charged. We know this. This is the principle of induction. This is the principle of induction. So this is negative, this is positive. Now you see, the negative charge wants to decrease its potential of A, and positive charge wants to increase its potential. But one thing you see, V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So it is inversely proportional to R. If distance is less, potential will be more. So the distance between the negative charge and the positive charge of A is less. So it will reduce its potential more, and the distance of positive charge and the positive charge of A is more. So it will increase its potential less. It will reduce its potential more, it will increase its potential less. So there will be a net decrease in potential. So net decrease in potential. Then what will happen? Its potential decrease, Q proportional to V, it decrease. So we can, to increase this, we can supply more charge. That means its capacitance increase, because if you use this formula also, C equal to Q by V, V decrease, so capacitance increase. So if we use only one conductor, the capacitance will be how much? That means capacitance jitna hoga. When we place another capacitor, a conductor, uncharged conductor B, then it is seen that the capacitance increase. Here capacitance increase. Now you see, third case, this is the second case. Second case. Third case. This is the B, A. Third case. What will happen? This is negative, 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 negative. This is positive, 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 positive. And we know that this is free charge, bound charge, because it is bound to this, and this is free charge. Now it is earthed. What will happen? The free charge will go to the earth, so this will run to earth. So in this case, what will happen? The negative charge decreases its potential a huge amount, but there is no increase in potential. So there is a net large amount of decrease in potential. So large decrease in potential. So potential decrease large. If this is decrease large, so capacitance is more. So capacitance increase more. So what this is the principle of capacitance. Capacitor. That means how we can prepare a capacitor. If one conductor is taken, then we are getting a capacitance of this conductor. If another uncharged conductor is placed, then what will happening? What is happening? Induction takes place. So this side negative, this side is positive. And we know that this is the bound charge, this is the free charge. It will, negative charge decreases its potential and positive charge increases its potential. But we know that potential depend upon distance. If distance increase, potential decrease. So it will decrease its potential more, it will increase its potential less. So there is a decrease in potential. Since potential is decreasing, capacitance will increase, so capacitance increase. Now what we are doing? It is earth. If it is earth, the free charge, positive charge is free, it is gone to earth. So there is only negative charge. So this negative charge decreases its potential huge amount. So it is decreasing its potential a large amount. Since potential is decreasing large amount, so capacitance will be increased more. So capacitance increase more. So it's from this situation to this situation, potential capacitance increase. From this to this, capacitance increase. So capacitor is the combination of two conductors. One is charged, other is earth. So capacitor is a combination of two conductors. One is charged, other is earth. So this is the principle of capacitor. Clear? Okay. Bye.